Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log into Microsoft Teams. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Teams app and ensure it is updated. Now, tap the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. If you do not have an account, create a new one and then enter your email. Once done, tap Next and a new web page will open. Here, enter the password for your Microsoft account or use a saved passkey to log in. After completing this step, the app will reopen and prompt you to authorize permissions. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to grant access. Once you have authorized permissions, your account will be successfully logged in and you will be redirected to the Microsoft Teams dashboard. From here, you can access chats, join meetings, and collaborate with your team. So that's basically how you can log into Microsoft Teams. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.